Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video we will continue our previous video. We are in Pixellab app. So before of this start this video, please consider to subscribe this channel and ring the bell icon. And if you have any question or query, please let me know in the comment section below and watch this video till the very end. So first of all, uh, we have talked about codes. Okay, you have more options like language. You have French or English. If you want to write a code in French, you can convert here, or if you want to get code in different categories, you can also get it. So I have selected motivation, succeed, friendship, happiness, and inspiration, positively, and abuse. What kind of abuse? Selected be abused clearly. Wow. Do not about hurting temptation. As you grow older, it will avoid you. Oh, smoking kills. If you are if you are killed, you have lost a very important part of your life. Oh, so escape the course. Let's talk about these three options. As you know, use image from gallery, full screen, use image from camera, export image size, contact us, report bug, tutorials, remove ads, and many more. But whenever you click on remove ads, oh, I already told about projects. Did you remember? Where will you find the projects? There are two ways to find your projects. One way is that here in the right corner you can see a folder with the name of my projects. Okay, here you can find your old project. Okay, and other way is that click here, and here you will find an option with the open PLP files, means Pixellab project files. If you have exported or downloaded PFP files, you can easily get it in your phone and in your app very easily. So, and this is about, and this is exact. Oh, escape it. And this is the name and logo, and this is undo button, and this is zoom button. If you want to work on here area but you are not able to see the clearly and little things, you can zoom it. How? Click on zoom button and drag with your fingers. Keep your both finger at the same time and drag it. You can easily zoom. Okay, so I zoom it now, and then click on zoom button once again, and you can drag and set your position, any object's position, and whatever you want to do. And once again click on zoom photo, and here you can double click and you will get the reverse previous size. Okay, so this is the feature, and this feature I have already told. Okay, so I think this is enough for today, and we will continue in our next video what other features are. So if you like this video, then please like this on thumb up, and if you have any question or query, please let me know in the comment section below, and If you are new here, then please consider to subscribe for these kind of videos. Thanks a lot for watching.